The legacy of excellent healthcare with a philanthropic vision began in the North Country many years ago. The Grey Nuns of Ontario, Alice T. and William H. Minor, and other leaders of the early 20th century created a foundation of quality healthcare for the North Country. The vision has grown steadily and now is an integral part of the fabric of the North Country, improving the quality of healthcare and the quality of life for residents throughout our region. Every year, individuals, institutions, and organizations direct more than $1 million in new gifts and pledges to the Foundation of CVPH. Each generous gift in turn becomes a gift to the community as the foundation is able to enhance patient care and support community health. From the smallest donations to transformational gifts, the generosity of our donors allows us to make a profound difference in the lives of those we serve.
It's a cool feeling being a part of what changes the lives of our neighbors in this community. Part of my motivation is to build a healthier community and to help people understand that diet and exercise are a big part of that. I truly believe when our people are healthier, we're a stronger community, economically, culturally, and physically. You don't even realize the impact your support makes. It ripples down, it goes and it goes.
There have been many new programs at CVPH that were made possible because of your generous gifts. You are improving the patient experience at CVPH by funding tools that help hospital staff identify patients that are malnourished, honoring inpatient veterans with flags and their branch of service that spark conversations and common threads with staff, installing a new solo step to help patients learn to walk again, and even memory kits for families to save keepsakes when their loved one passes. You are building a healthier community by supporting the Yoga for Cancer program, removing unused medications from our community, helping income-eligible patients with travel assistance to access the specialty care they need when it's not available locally, and building outdoor environments like the Lapeer Lane Riverway that encourages physical fitness.
We know health doesn't happen in your doctor's office, it happens where we live and where we work and where we play. And we know there's a correlation between green space and community health. And so this is, I think, vital to not just our physical health, but our mental health as well.
You are helping people transition home safely from the hospital and reducing their chance of being readmitted. Transition care, providing equipment for patients leaving the hospital, critical for their care at home.
For 9 years, I worked as a registered nurse at the bedside. And when you have your patient there, you typically have everything you need to care for them, whether it be their medication, dressing supplies, their food. Everything is right there and kind of at your arm's reach. When these patients go home, we're all of a sudden in a position that we don't always have the resources available to us. And then we start to think, well, if we had had these, would the patient have ended up in the hospital? Or if we don't get these, are they going to end up back in the hospital? So we've been able to help supply with the foundation some of these items to help keep these patients home and possibly prevent some readmissions that would have occurred otherwise. The foundation has been wonderful in allowing us to submit transition grants and providing what we need to help our patients, whether it's medication, a blood pressure cuff. There's a whole list of items that they've been able to help us with, and these items have helped our patients stay home. Tremendous assistance. I don't think we can advocate for them enough because they help us do our job and do what's best for the patient. That's really what it's all about.
Take a look around you. Every person in this room makes an impact. Volunteers, donors, physicians, nurses, patients, our community. We come together with one goal: to build a healthier community. Thank you for supporting the Foundation of CVPH.